If you're watching this video, chances are you've just received your first bill from 3. You're probably thinking, when you bought your phone, you agreed a price. So, why have you been charged extra? Let's look at your bill summary. In My 3, you can see a full breakdown of your monthly charges. For your first bill, you'll see a notification that says your first bill will be slightly higher than normal. You'll also see your total bill amount and a breakdown of the costs on the right-hand side. In this example, Joe's contract is costing him £36 a month. On top of his £36 a month, he's been charged for 5 days, the 5th to the 9th of July, an extra £5.91. When you join 3, you're charged for the first 4 to 9 days. We've done this so that you can start using your new device as soon as you get your hands on it. So, in the example from before, Joe's first bill consists of one charge of £5.91 for the first 5 days and £36 for the 10th of July to the 9th of August, shown here. These two charges together amount to the full cost of Joe's first bill. Your first bill, however, will be different depending on the date that you join 3. But don't worry, this is a one-off charge, and on all your following bills, you'll only see your full monthly charge, in Joe's case, £36. You're automatically set up to receive an e-bill each month. We'll send you a text or an email once a month to let you know when your bill is ready.